Welcome to Innovator in Residence, a 6-day program for students to explore their passions and create projects with a company of experts and guidance.
Everyone excited? Yeah?
Hello, my name is Clamira and I am grade 12.
And my name is Hanson and I'm a 9th grader.
Pour the water into this cup. Whoever turns makes the water drop from this glass is losing. Do you understand? Hi! Hello guys! Here we are in Science Center Singapore, where science is like magic here. We bring our students for them to get inspiration, ideas for their personal project.
I like the Ransack the most because it has the gamification, it's pretty fun.
After days of exploring, studying tools and technologies, and attending workshops with experts, it's now time for the students to present the projects they have built. They have learned not just theories, but how to bring them together to form practical solutions.
We like jasmine tea, chamomile tea, boba tea. But you know what we prefer more than all of those teas? The safety of our environment.